Nestled in the heart of a vibrant neighborhood, this immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. Boasting an open floor plan, the living room flows seamlessly into the dining area, creating an inviting space for entertaining or relaxing. The gourmet kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with breakfast bar. Upstairs, the spacious master suite includes a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with double sinks and a soaking tub. 2 additional bedrooms share a full bathroom, providing ample space for family or guests. Outside, a private backyard offers a serene oasis with a covered patio, perfect for al fresco dining or simply enjoying the outdoors. The attached 2-car garage provides ample storage and convenience. Located within walking distance of parks, schools, and shopping, this home offers the ultimate in convenience and livability. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity to own a piece of paradise in this highly sought-after neighborhood.